What's up, gamers? It's me, Max, and today I'm gonna do an unboxing video. I'm filming with my iPhone XR, and basically, it's digging its own grave because, well, that's it, guys. I'm swapping off of iPhone. I don't like it anymore. AirDrop doesn't work for me. iCloud? I mean, I had to pay for it. Why? I have Google Drive. This phone I'm using right now, for example, I got it in like October 2019 and I've had to like factory reset it like 3 times. 3 times! It's not even like an old phone. It just didn't work. One time, I had like not full storage, but close to full storage. And then the phone updated itself and crashed because it didn't have enough storage to download anything, even though I didn't actually pre-authorize it. So kind of cringe. So I decided to swap over to a riskier phone, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5G. I know it's the right phone for me. Um, Basically, when I'm reading online, it's like a normal phone, bro. It's like a smartphone, like that has like up-to-date specs and whatnot, but it's just more delicate because it flips. That's how, in one sentence, I would describe it. All the reviews, most of them are like, "Yeah, this is like super cool. It's like the best like flip phone, but like don't buy it, cause like it's too expensive." But like, I think they're underestimating the social value to me of this phone being able to flip. So, I'm gonna just carefully open this with these really blunt, thick scissors, and let's just see what's going on here. I feel like I should be angling this better, but I actually just don't care. You're just gonna have to use your imagination. So like, I didn't actually intend to do this, but I'm doing it anyways because I want to post on social media somewhere. Whatever, bro. Fuck it. All right, so it's sliding out like this. I should have put it this way.
Hey, you're finally awake.
Oh, really cool. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, it's just talking about how cool it is. Yeah, I know, I get it. Okay, care instructions. This is a thing. Basically, like any other phone, don't be too rough with it. Put on a case. Don't drop it. Don't take it to the beach. Don't put it in water. Even if it's waterproof, don't put it in water. I know the Z Flip is not actually waterproof. Also, if you're an American, you're watching this, I'm sorry, I'm pronouncing it Z and not Z, but that's how it goes, baby. Don't press the screen too hard. Yeah. I ordered a case and I have not got it yet, but here is the phone. It's thin. It looking like this, and I'm just gonna set it aside for now. I got some Premier service in case it breaks. That's amazing because, well, it might. I really hope it doesn't. But for the assumption that it might break, I'm just gonna keep the phone, the XR, as a backup. Generally risk-averse person, although I did buy a pretty risky phone, but whatever. Got your regular charging stuff. What are these headphones I'm not gonna use? Oh no, this is like the charging cable, huh? Yeah, okay. Amazing. This isn't really like an unboxing video. It's more like I just like pick up items from the box and show you guys because I'm just built different. I'm trying to like take this apart because I think there might be something underneath, but this is kind of cool because it'll never be as clean as it is now. Again, so I'm gonna just, I almost opened it the wrong way. It comes from this side. I got the gray version. I actually wanted the purple one. That's only offered for the, oh, okay. I'm totally doing this wrong. Only offered. What am I doing? Am I okay? It was only offered for the not 5G version, just the regular version, and I want 5G, so that's why. Okay. Wow, this is a really bad unboxing video. No relation to the series, but I'm actually kind of struggling. It's like opening a rice triangle. Okay, so here it is. Here's the screen. You can probably see the contents of my desk here. It's got a fold, as you can see now, reflected in my chess set there. And I'm gonna do the first fold. Wow, very cool. It's weighty. Um, it doesn't feel flimsy. Like, I would be so concerned if it was like floppy when I was doing that, but luckily it's not. Oh, I just picked up a fingerprint. Luckily, I don't have that oily skin, so not too worried about it. Just opening and closing like this, kind of as you do. Samsung says I could flip this for 5 years. Logistically speaking, I don't think it'll last that long. I'm gonna try closing it with one hand. Harder than I thought, actually. Bye, bitch. And then opening with one hand. You know, I saw like a video of a guy like doing this and opening it like that, and I don't feel comfortable doing that necessarily. I can't open it with one hand. This is am I doing it wrong? Is like an unlock button? Is it less hard to open when it's turned on for some reason? I don't know. But the two-handed method, kind of like a little makeup thing, seems pretty good. So I might need to reevaluate my strategy, because my whole thing was I wanted to, okay, hello, and then like I want to flip it open like, hello, and then like after I'm like, I am so done with you, and then I just like, goodbye. Not as smooth as I thought it would be, but maybe because I don't have like necessarily big hands. But yeah, I do like the thing here. It does really remind me of the Game Boy Advance SP that I had when I was a child, which was a big factor into it. Really, I just like how it looks and how it flips. And yeah, I don't know, like if it's a phone that does everything that my iPhone does, but slightly better, and then it can flip, you know, fuck it, right? Wow, it's actually pretty smooth. Maybe it gets smoother the more I do it, but I swear, like the videos I was watching, people were like, they're like flipping out like that, and I was like, maybe I don't have the balls to do it, but I'm gonna try turning it on the side here, where also is the fingerprint scanner. Wow, secured by Knox. Knox these nuts. I used to own a Samsung phone, except it wasn't a Samsung phone. It was from Thailand, and it had like a completely different battery inside of it. Let's go. I guess I'll start with English. I'm gonna pause the video here while I actually set it up, because it's gonna be a lot of me going like over it, so.